how you put a bottom on. Or this one. Or this one. I think it's this one. Hello YouTube, Neil here with FaceliftInteriors. Welcome back to our channel. 200 subscribers, phenomenal. I know there's a long way to go still, but it's amazing. If there's anything we can help you out with, drop a comment and say that I'm having troubles with this or I'm having troubles with that, and we'll try our best to get a video up and help you out as soon as possible. In today's video, we're going to be doing the bottom of a sofa. It's going to be a short video, it's not going to be a long tutorial, it's just going to be how to do a bottom properly of a sofa. I mean, although it's kind of an easy job to do, if you know what you're doing, it can be quite tricky if you're new to it. Today we're going to be putting a black bottom in on just a square box. So I'm going to measure it, cut the bottom into size, and then show you how we go about stapling it on, making sure it looks nice and clean. Oh, thank God, I thought I hadn't been filming then. Literally, I was like, is that filming? I was like, oh no. That whole time I hadn't been filming, but I have. Let's take you over here. Sorry, but this machine's being very rude. You shut the f*** up! Thank you. Right, so here is our box that's just been upholstered. So we are going to put the bottom on. So all you want to do at this point is you want to measure side to side, top to bottom, and I'd probably go a couple of inches bigger each side. So this tape measure is only in centimetres, so I'm going to have to do it in centimetres. It's 133, so I'm going to go 140, and this way is 41, so I'm going to go 47. So you're just allowing an inch each side to tuck under. Let's go and cut the fabric. Right, so this is our bottoming fabric. So the fabric's already square by 140. I think 140 is probably, that is just under 140, so that should be good. We cut the fabric. As you can see, fabric is already pretty square. But if you need to square your fabric off, make sure it's square before you cut anything. We'll put the link up here. Ding! For a video that we've done about how to square off your fabric before you cut anything. So that's the fabric cut. Now let's put it on.
"2,000 years later."
Finally. Right, so as we go over the shoulder, we've sort of evened it out so we know we've got enough up here. Feel you've got enough either side. What I like to do, sort of fold under, give myself a nice little turn under. Doesn't have to be bang in the centre. Close though would be good. Stick a couple in like that. That is 2 staples in. Then what I like to do is fold under, give it nice flat, pull it up, pull it. Push it out so you've got no bagginess, right? Work your way along. So what I'm doing here is I'm folding the fabric under. Now I'm pulling the fabric up, working it up so there's no bagginess. Doing the same on this side. You can stick a couple in if you want. So we've worked from the middle up this way, then we're going to go from the middle this way. What I'm doing here is I'm pulling fabric nice and tight. And pull that nice and tight towards the end. Put one in there, maybe one in the middle. Same on the other side. As we come towards the ends, see this can all be tidied up later, you stick a finger in there. So as we didn't staple close to the edge, we left a good 2 inches there. Because we haven't cut it too big, we can literally just fold that under like that. You can see there that is nice and clean all the way along. Just fold it under, stick one in there. Middle. I always put a few extra in the corners from lifting. So let's go to the other end. Right, so like at the other end, you haven't cut it too big and you've left yourself enough space here. So you can literally just go like that, fold under, nice and tidy. One in the middle, up to the end. Same up here, one, It's nice when you've got a nice clean bottom. No ripples, no bumps, none of that shit. Very important to put your fire labels on. You do not want the law coming after you, huh? If the man from the law come after you, do not tell them it was me. So fire labels, very important. Always important on any job that you do, especially a job like this. This is going into a school. It has to meet regulations. So you have to put your fire label on. I know this fabric is crib 5, so I know that that's good enough. I'll put the legs on now. One. So that is how you put a bottom on a sofa or a box or anything. So remember, measure cut, don't cut it too big, because you will be chopping bits off. It's just easy, just like an inch over each side, gives you enough to fold under. That's how you put a bottom on.